Now, I'm sure a lot of you have got some very nice photographs of this from a distance. What we're going to do now is give you a slightly different perspective of this particular waterfall. Now, it's good to see so many of you up the front there. That's great, especially holding on to hideously expensive electronic camera gear. That's even better. Just be aware, though, that the local name for this is the Milford Boat Wash. Now, that should give you some idea of how close we're going to get. Now, a handy little hint here, the wet side of the boat is the port side, the dry side of the boat is the starboard side. Now, we're going to leave you to work that one out. I'm sure you will very, very quickly. We are going to get exceptionally close here, so if you're not feeling particularly waterproof, then be afraid. Be very afraid. The Stirling Falls, 155 metres in height. This is about the same height as a 50-storey building. It was named by a very interesting character too, Captain Stirling, or Commodore Stirling. He sailed in here on the HMS Cleo back in the mid-1800s. Commodore Stirling was so impressed by this waterfall, he named it after himself. Which is a bit of a shame really, because they already had a name for it. They called it Wamaru. And it's a lovely name, it means water bird. And that alludes to the spray at the base of the waterfall you're all about to feel. So be aware, if you have expensive camera gear or you're not feeling waterproof, we are going to get close. So here we go, one of the real highlights of Milford Sound, the Stirling Falls.
Ni dia kata.